The stock market. A common stock, typically just called stock, represents a share of ownership in a corporation. It is a security that is a claim on the earnings and assets of the corporation. Issuing stock and selling it to the public is a way for corporations to raise funds to finance their activities. The stock market, in which claims on the earnings of corporations or share of stock are traded, is the most widely followed financial market in America. That's why it is often called simply the market. A big swing in the price of shares in the stock market is always a big story on the evening news. People often speculate on where the market is heading and get very excited when they can brag about their latest big killing. But they become depressed when they suffer a big loss. The attention the market receives can probably be best explained by one simple fact. It is a place where people can get rich or poor quickly. As figure 2 indicates, stock prices have been extremely volatile. After the market rose in the 1980s, on Black Monday, October 1987, it experienced the worst one-day drop in its entire history, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average or DJIA falling by 22%. From then until 2000, the stock market experienced one of the great bull markets in its history, with the Dow climbing to a peak of over 11,000. With the collapse of the high-tech bubble in 2000, the stock market fell sharply, dropping by over 30% by 2002. This considerable fluctuation in stock prices affect the size of people's wealth, and as a result may affect their willingness to spend. The stock market is also an important factor in business investment decisions, because the price of share affects the amount of funds that can be raised by selling newly issued stock to finance investment spending. A higher price for a firm's share means that it can raise a large amount of funds, which can be used to buy production facilities and equipment. In Chapter 2, we examine the role that the stock market plays in the financial system, and we return to the issue of how stock prices behave and respond to information in the marketplace in Chapter 7.